Microsoft Corporation, one of the most recognized and influential companies in the world, has transitioned from a high-growth tech disruptor to a mature dividend-paying enterprise that blends innovation with consistent returns to shareholders. Known for its dominance in software, cloud computing, and emerging technologies like artificial intelligence, Microsoft has become a standout in the tech sector, not just for its growth, but for its commitment to returning value to investors. This combination of dynamic growth potential and reliable dividends positions Microsoft as a compelling choice for long-term investors seeking stability, income, and upside potential. Microsoft's journey began in 1975 when Bill Gates and Paul Allen co-founded the company with a vision to bring personal computing to the masses. The company gained early prominence by developing MS-DOS, an operating system that became the standard for IBM PCs in the 1980s. Microsoft's next major breakthrough came in 1985 with the launch of Windows, a graphical operating system that revolutionized personal computing and established the company as a dominant player in the software industry. Through the 1990s and early 2000s, Microsoft expanded its footprint, introducing Microsoft Office as the go-to productivity suite for businesses and individuals worldwide. The company faced significant challenges during this period, including antitrust scrutiny, but emerged stronger, diversifying its offerings to include hardware, gaming, and enterprise software. In the 2010s, under the leadership of CEO Satya Nadella, Microsoft underwent a remarkable transformation, pivoting toward cloud computing and subscription-based services. Today, Microsoft is a leader in cloud infrastructure through its Azure platform and continues to innovate in gaming, artificial intelligence, and enterprise solutions. One of Microsoft's greatest strengths is its nearly unassailable competitive moat. Built on a foundation of product integration, global reach, and recurring revenue, Microsoft's ecosystem spans productivity software like 365 operating systems, cloud services with Azure, gaming, and professional networking, offering a suite of products that seamlessly integrate and create a sticky customer experience. For businesses, the Microsoft ecosystem has become indispensable, with offerings like Teams, SharePoint, and Azure, enabling everything from collaboration to data storage and artificial intelligence. Azure, Microsoft's cloud computing platform, is a cornerstone of its modern success. Competing head-to-head with Amazon Web Services, Azure has leveraged Microsoft's existing enterprise relationships to grow its market share. The platform offers flexibility, scalability, and robust AI and machine learning capabilities, making it a preferred choice for businesses of all sizes. This dominance in the cloud computing space ensures Microsoft is well positioned to capture future growth in a digital-first economy. Another critical element of Microsoft's moat is its commitment to innovation and adaptation. The company has successfully pivoted to meet changing consumer and enterprise needs, whether through its transition to subscription-based services like Microsoft 365, its expansion into artificial intelligence, or its strategic acquisitions such as LinkedIn and GitHub. These moves not only diversify revenue streams, but also reinforce Microsoft's leadership across multiple industries. The transformation of Microsoft under Satya Nadella is a case study in visionary leadership. Since taking the reins as CEO in 2014, Nadella has shifted the company's focus from its legacy software business to emerging areas such as cloud computing, artificial intelligence, and subscription services. Under his leadership, Microsoft has prioritized innovation, collaboration, and sustainability, turning the company into one of the most valuable and respected enterprises in the world. Nadella's ability to foresee trends and align Microsoft's strategies accordingly has been instrumental in maintaining its relevance and dominance in an ever-evolving tech landscape. Nadella's tenure has also been marked by an emphasis on corporate responsibility and global impact. Microsoft has committed to becoming carbon negative by 2030 and has made strides in accessibility, ethical AI development, and fostering diversity within the organization. These initiatives not only strengthen Microsoft's reputation, but also align the company with broader societal and investor priorities, enhancing its long-term value. While Microsoft was initially known as a high-growth tech company, its commitment to returning value to shareholders through dividends began in 2003. Since then, the company has established established itself as a reliable dividend payer, increasing its payout annually for over 20 years. As of 2024, Microsoft offers a dividend yield of approximately 0.8%, which may seem modest compared to traditional dividend-paying stocks, but reflects the company's growth-oriented approach. Its low payout ratio, around 28%, ensures that Microsoft retains ample capital to reinvest in its business while rewarding shareholders with consistent and growing income. The dividend growth rate is a standout feature for Microsoft investors. Over the past decade, dividends have grown at an average annual rate of approximately 10%, providing shareholders with a steadily increasing income stream that outpaces inflation. This balance between growth and income makes Microsoft particularly appealing to investors seeking both current returns and long-term capital appreciation. Microsoft's financial performance is the backbone of its dividend reliability and growth potential. In its most recent fiscal year, Microsoft reported revenue of $211 billion, with its cloud computing division contributing a significant portion of that growth. Net income exceeded $72 billion, translating to profit margins of over 30%, a testament to the efficiency and scalability of its operations. Microsoft's balance sheet is one of the strongest in the corporate world, with over $100 billion in cash and equivalents. This financial strength not only enables the company to weather economic uncertainty, but also provides flexibility to pursue strategic investments, acquisitions, and continued dividend growth. Microsoft's recurring revenue model, driven by subscriptions like Microsoft 365 and Azure services, ensures a steady cash flow that supports both operational needs and shareholder returns. A cornerstone of Microsoft's growth strategy is its continued dominance in cloud computing. Azure, the company's cloud platform, is at the forefront of this effort, offering solutions for infrastructure as a service and platform as a service across various industries. Azure's role in enabling artificial intelligence, data analytics, and hybrid cloud services positions it as a critical player in enterprise transformation. Microsoft's focus on industry-specific solutions, such as healthcare cloud services and government data platforms, further differentiates Azure from competitors like Amazon Web Services and Google Cloud. Additionally, the company is leveraging its existing enterprise relationships to cross-sell Azure services, driving both customer retention and revenue growth. Artificial intelligence is another significant area of investment for Microsoft. The company has committed substantial resources to integrate AI into its existing products and services, from Office 365 to Azure's AI and machine learning capabilities. Microsoft's partnership with OpenAI, the creator of ChatGPT, exemplifies its focus on staying at the cutting edge of generative AI technologies. By incorporating AI-driven features into productivity tools, such as smart content generation in Word and advanced analytics in Excel, Microsoft enhances its value proposition for enterprise and individual users alike. This integration not only strengthens its ecosystem, but also positions Microsoft as a leader in shaping the AI-driven workplace of the future. In addition to organic innovation, Microsoft has continued to pursue strategic acquisitions to bolster its growth. One of the most notable recent moves is its $68.7 billion acquisition of Activision Blizzard, a gaming giant known for franchises like Call of Duty and World of Warcraft. This acquisition, one of the largest in tech history, signals Microsoft's ambition to dominate the gaming sector, particularly in the realms of console gaming, PC gaming, and mobile gaming. The deal also accelerates Microsoft's efforts in the metaverse, as gaming is expected to play a pivotal role in this emerging space. By expanding its gaming portfolio and tapping into Activision's extensive user base, Microsoft ensures its relevance in one of the fastest-growing entertainment industries. Another important avenue for growth is Microsoft's ongoing push into cybersecurity. As businesses increasingly rely on digital infrastructure, the need for robust security solutions has become paramount. Microsoft has established itself as a leader in this space with its comprehensive suite of security products, including Microsoft Defender and Azure Sentinel. By integrating advanced threat detection and response capabilities into its cloud services, Microsoft addresses one of the most pressing concerns for enterprise customers, further solidifying its value proposition. Microsoft stands out as one of the most compelling dividend-paying companies in the tech sector. Its transformation from a high-growth disruptor to a mature, diversified enterprise capable of delivering consistent income and growth underscores its appeal to long-term investors. With a robust financial foundation, a strategic moat that spans multiple industries, and a proven commitment to innovation and shareholder returns, Microsoft is uniquely positioned to continue thriving in a rapidly evolving market. While challenges persist, its track record of success and visionary leadership under Satya Nadella make Microsoft not just a leader in technology, but a cornerstone for any portfolio seeking stability, growth, and reliable dividends.